In today's video we are going to see a point comparator. Okay, before going to discuss a comparator, let's see definition of comparator. A comparator is a logic circuit used to compare the magnitude of two binary numbers. Okay, generally what is meaning of comparator? If suppose there are two persons A and B, if they want to compare with each other as concerned to their height parameter, then there are three possibilities. Those are A is taller than B, or A is smaller than B, or A is equal to B. Okay, in another way we can compare these A and B persons with the help of money. Then we can find out these solutions. A is richer than B, or B is richer than A, or A and B are equally rich. Okay, so when we are going to compare any two things with each other, then there are possibilities are greater, smaller, or equal. So the comparator having a circuit which having two inputs definitely, and it produces three outputs which are A, that is greater than, smaller than, or equal to. So the comparator outputs maximum possibilities are 3. In that way we are going to deal with first types of comparator. And there are first a single bit comparator, then the second one is 2-bit comparator, and the third one is 4-bit comparator. Okay, let's discuss first type, that is a single bit comparator. Consider there are two numbers, number A and number B, and this number A and number B consists A0 and B0 values, and we want to compare with each other. So if A0 is 1 and B0 is 0, then A0 is greater than B0. This first outcome. If A0 is 0 and B0 is 1, then A0 is less than B0. This is second outcomes. And if A0 value is 0 or 1 and B0 value is 0 or 1, then A0 is equal to B0. These are the third possibilities of the first bit comparator. Okay, then what is the block diagram of 1-bit comparator? It consists 1 bit of number A, that is A0, and 1 bit of number B, that is B0. Hence the block diagram of single bit comparator is looks like A0, B0, that is A0 is greater than B0, as well as A0 is less than B0, and A0 is equal to B0. Let's take a truth table of single bit comparator. The truth table is A0 and B0 are the inputs, as well as A greater than B, A less than B, and a0 is equal to b0. These are possible outcomes. Okay, there are two bits, that is a and b, so it produces how many combinations? Let's reminder formula. Number of values is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is nothing but 2, so 2 raised to 2 becomes 4, so it produces 4 different values. Those are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So for 0 0 both are equal, so a greater than b is 0, a less than b is 0, and a is equal to b will be 1. That is, for 0 1, a greater than b 0, a less than b 1, a is equal to b not. This is not a correct case. Okay, so it is also 0. The next one 1 0, definitely a is greater than b, so it will be 1, and remaining are 0 zeros. And for next both are 1 1, so this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 1. In this way we are able to draw the truth table. Then next, draw the K-map. For first condition, a0 is greater than b0. Okay, how many input variables are there? There are two input variables, and those are a0 and b0, so we require two variable K-map. So draw a two variable K-map. A0, B0, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 2, 3. Okay, for this, what are the minterms which is present at decimal value 0 1 2 3, which is present as 2, so make here 2, that is minterms, and find out the common terms. Here common term is a0 into b0 complement. Okay, consider a K-map for the second, that is a0 is less than b0. For that, a0, b0 are the inputs 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 2, 3. For these conditions, what is the minterms? Minterms which are present here, which is value is 1, and remaining all are zeros. For this one, there is no need, there is no possibility to form a pair, so we can form a single here. So from this, there are a0 complement and b0 are the common terms. Okay, and for the last, if you observe carefully, for a0 and b0 column, when input is 0 0, the output is 1, and when input is 1 1, output is 1. So this a0 is equal to b0 is equal to the truth table of exclusive NOR gate. For example, I will write here truth table of XNOR gate 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. So when both the inputs are identical or similar, then output of exclusive or NOR gate is high. So no need to draw a truth table K-map for this. A0 is equal to B0. We can find A0 is exclusive NOR with B0, or A0 bar into B0 bar plus A0 into B0. This is the different expressions of the outputs of 1-bit comparator. Then draw a logic diagram. Okay, for that we require two inputs, which are A0 as well as B0. Okay, what is the output of first? This is A0 is greater than B0. We need A0. Definitely we will consider A0 from this point. We need B0 complement. So take B0 complement by using NOT gate, and they are ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. Okay, this is the first function. A0 is greater than B0. Then next go through a second function, which is A0 complement. And this is a B0. and this will be A0 less than B0. And for third, we need exclusive NOR gate. So this will be A0 is equal to B0. Okay, this is about a 1-bit comparator. Then consider a 2-bit comparator. Okay, this is a 2-bit comparator. Okay, let's discuss a 2-bit comparator. What is meaning of 2-bit? A number A which consists 2 bits, A1, A0, and number B consists 2 bits, B1 and B0. Hence it is called as a 2-bit comparator. Block diagram we can represent like this. A0, A1, B0, B1. These are the inputs, and no doubt there are 3 maximum possibilities of the output. A is greater than B, A is less than B, and A is equal to B. These are the maximum possibilities of the outputs. These are 2-bit magnitude comparator. This is the block diagram of 2-bit comparator. Okay, let's discuss a function of 2-bit comparator. First, if A1 is equal to 1 and B1 is equal to 0, then definitely A is greater than B. Okay, so this is the first condition or first outcome will be, because if you observe carefully, A1, A0 and B1, B0. In this, these 2 bits are MSB, that is most significant bit, and these 2 bits are LSB, that is least significant bit, because it has more weightage as compared to this one. So if A1 is 1 and B1 is 0, then definitely A is greater than B. If what will next assumptions, A1 and B1 both are equal and A0 is equal to 1 and B0 is equal to 0, then at this condition also A is greater than B. A is greater than B. So in which way we can represent this? By mathematically, this A1 is 1 and B1 is 0. So A1 into B1 complement. This is the first thing for first statement. Plus the next, what is the condition of A1 and B1? Both are equal. That means A1 is equal to 1 at the time B1 is also 1. A1 is equal to 0 at the time B1 is also 0. So if you observe carefully, this is again exclusive NOR gate conditions. So this will be A1 is XOR with B1. So for the second condition, we can apply mathematical equation like A1 is XORing with B1. Okay, A1 is XORing with B1 into, for this condition, what is the value of A0 is 1 and what is the value of B0 is 0. So A0 into B0 complement. So this will be equation of A is greater than B by considering these 2 conditions or cases. Okay, then go through next for the second one. If we are going to assume that A1 is 0 and B1 is 1, then A is less than B. This condition will be arrived. If suppose in the next condition, what will be happen if both A1 is equal to b1 for which conditions a1 will be 1 and b1 will be 1, as well as a1 will be 0. At the time b1 is also 0. Both are coincidence with each other. For these conditions, assume a1 is equal to 0. For this, a0 is equal to 0 and b0 is equal to 1. Then a is less than b, because here b0 is 1 and a0 is the 0. That's why this condition will be arrived. So for a is less than b, mathematically represented as, what is the value of a1 is 0, so it will be a1 bar. And what is the value of b1? 1, so it will be non-complement variable. Plus, for this second condition, both are equal. When both are equal, they are XNORing with each other. So a1 XNOR with b1. And for this condition, a0 is 0, so it will be a0 complement, and b0 is 1, so it will be b0. Okay, this is the expression of a is less than b. Okay, and for third conditions, what is the third condition? For the a is equal to b, for this condition, what are the outputs will be? Possibilities: a1 is equal to b1 definitely, and a0 is equal to b0. So this will be mathematically represented as a is equal to b, a1 is XORing with b1, and a0 is XORing with b0. Okay, these are the three different equations: first, second, and third. Okay, with the help of three equations, we can draw a logic diagram. Let's draw the logic diagram with the help of three equations. First, for this a is greater than b, we need a1 into b1 complement. So consider this a1, and what is the output? b1 complement input. So we consider b1 complement, and they are ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. Okay, in the second condition, a1 and b1 both are XNORing with each other. So we'll do first this thing, a0 and b0 complement. Okay, then I need a1 and b1 XNORing, so take one more, a1 and b1, these are exclusive NOR with each other. The output of this is given to one more AND gate. Okay, and then what is the relation between these two terms? In this term and this term, they are ORing with each other, so use OR gate. This will be gives us a is greater than b. This is the first logic diagram for the a greater than b. For the second one, we need a1 complement and b1. So take a1 complement, okay, and b1. In this both the terms, they are ORing, ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. Okay, in the second term, we need once again a1 is XNORing with b1, so use a1 and b1, they are XNORing with each other. Okay, and what is the next term in that? They are A0 complement and B0. Okay, they are ANDing with each other, and this output is again ANDing with the output of exclusive NOR gate. And then last, both the terms are ORing with each other. And it because as A is less than B. And the last, what is the A1 and B1 for both the A1 and B1 both are XNOR with each other. Okay, and A0 and B0 are both are again exclusive NOR with each other, and both are again ANDing with each other. So use AND gate here. Okay, this will be A is equal to B. Okay, this is the logic diagram of 2-bit comparator. Instead of this separate design of exclusive NOR gate, we can design once, and this will be circulated throughout the circuit. But for our simplification, it is for understanding purpose, we separate each and every XNOR gate for the different equations. Okay, let's continue with the third type, that is a 3-bit comparator. A remaining part of the comparator, that is 4-bit comparator. In the 4-bit comparator, let's assume number A having 4 bits, those are A3, A2, A1, A0, and number B is also 4 bits, B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, and we want to compare this 4 bit with each other. So first let's go through with the explanation. If A3 is 1 and B3 is 0, then no doubt A is greater than B, because this is a MSB bit of number A and this is an MSB bit of the number B, and both these are LSB bit. So this bit is higher weightage or value as compared to this one. If this value is 1 and this value is 0, then definitely A is greater than B. If next possibilities are A3 and B3 both are equal, that may be 0 0 or 1 1, and A2 is equal to 1 and B2 is equal to 0, then in this condition also A is greater than B, because we assume that both our values are 0, but this value is greater than this value, so definitely A is greater than B. If suppose next possibilities is A3 is equal to B3 as well as A2 is equal to B of 2 and A1 is equal to 1 and B1 is equal to 0, then A is greater than B. Okay, we assume that A3 and B3 are equal. No doubt A2 as well as B2, this condition is also equal, but A1 is 1 and B1 is 0, then this bit is greater than this bit. Definitely A is greater than B, because we will take one example. A3, A2, A1, A0, 0 0 1 0. Okay, and B3 value B3, B2, B1, B0, B3 0 0 0 0. Okay, what is the value of this? It will be 0, and what is the value of this? It will be 1. So this will be A is greater than B. Okay, let's take if these possibilities is not there, then what will be next possibilities? A3 is equal to B3 and A2 is equal to B of 2 and A1 is equal to B of 1, but A1 is equal to 1 and B1 is equal to 0. In this condition also A is greater than B, because if you assume all the bits of these are equal, so 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and in this condition A0 is 1 and B0 is 0. In this condition this is a 1 and this is a 0. Sorry, in this condition it will be 2. In this condition it will be 1 and this is a 0. So A is greater than B. Okay, so according to this explanation, I want to represent mathematically for A is greater than B. Okay, for this condition, what is the condition? A3 is greater than B3. So what is the value of A3? 1. So consider A3 as it is. What is the value of B3? Is 0. So we can consider B3 as a non-complement, complement variable. Then next, in this condition, A3 and B3 are coincidence or equal one. So we consider these are a exclusive NOR gate. So A3 and B3 is exclusive NOR with each other. In this condition, A2 is 1 and B2 is 0. So it will be B2 complement. Plus in the next condition, that is A3 is XNOR with B3 and A2 is XNOR with B of 2, and in this A1 is 1, that's why it is non-complement, and B1 is 0, it is complement. Plus in this condition we can write A3 complement B3, A2 complement, A2 is XNOR with B2, as well as A1 is XNOR with B1, plus into it will be A1 into B1 complement, A0 into B0 complement. In this way, these are the three different conditions which are present here in front of us. Okay, I hope so you understand little bit. First condition this one, the second condition this one, and the third condition A3 and B2 for A1 B1, and the fourth one A3 A2 A1 and B1 into A0 B0 complement. Okay, then go through with the similar way for the A is less than B. No doubt we have to just remember this all equation for modifications. This will be A3 complement into B3, because we are assuming that B3 is a 1 and A3 is a 0, so it will be completed value of the A and B3 as it is. In the second, it going to be not change. Here again A2 complement into B of 2, plus in this A3 is XNOR with B3, A2 is XNOR with B of 2 into A1 complement into B of 1, plus in this last equation there is no change in the exclusive NOR relations, they are remains as it is, and the last one A0 complement into B0. This is the equation which is for the A is less than B, and for the third expression which is A is equal to B, for that we are getting A3 is XORing with B3, A2 is XORing with B of 2, A1 is XORing with B1, and A0 is XORing with B0. These are the three equations, first, second and third one. Okay, with the help of this we can draw a logic diagram. First I need, okay, let's continue with the 4-bit manual comparator with the logic diagram. For first A greater than B, we need A3 into B3 complement. So take A3 and B3 complement. Okay, those are ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. Then next we need A2 into B2 complement, so take A2 and B2 complement, and again they are ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. And then they are XORing and ANDing with A3 into B3 exclusive NOR gate, so this will be again going to this one for implementation of A3 and B3 XNOR and ANDing with A2 into B2 complement. Okay, then continue with next one. We need A1 into B1 complement, so take one more AND gate. A1 and B1 complement, they are ANDing with each other, and again the output of this is again ANDing with A3 B3 XNOR as well as A2 XNOR with B2, so this output is also, and one more output of this is going to be ANDed with together. Okay, these are the next one, and last one is A0 and B0. For that, A0 and B0 complement, and with this we are going to be AND A3 B3 XNOR A2 into B2 XNOR as well as A1 B1 into XNOR. Okay, these are ANDed together, and all these terms are ORing with each other. And it will use as A is greater than B. Okay, in the similar way we will modify for the A is less than B. What is the input? A3 into B3 complement, so consider A3 into B3 complement, this will be A3 complement into B3 they are ANDing with each other. Okay, then in the second term we need A3 XNOR with B3, A3 XNOR with B3 into A2 bar B2, so we will take A2 bar B2, A2 complement into B2, they are ANDing with each other, and again this is going to be XNOR with this term, and they are ANDed together. Okay, then next for this term we need A3 XNOR B3 as well as A2 XNOR B2 and A1 into B1, A1 complement into B1 complement, so A1 complement into B1, they are ANDing with each other. Okay, and then what are the outputs? This input, okay, as well as A2 into B2, this input, they are ANDing with each other. Okay, and in the last we need A0 complement into B0, so we will take once again AND gate with inputs A0 complement into B0, and these are again continuous with the third term, this is also, and this one. Okay, These are four different terms and they are ORing with each other. A is less than B. And the last, all are ANDing with each other, so use AND gate. This is A is equal to B. I hope so you understand how to draw, how to design, implement a logic diagrams of 1-bit comparator, 2-bit comparator as well as 4-bit comparator. Thank you very much.